How I treated my skin hyperpigmentation naturally. Hello guys, welcome to another episode on BCG Health. Here's a daily lifestyle and health issues to improve your health, well-being and lifestyle. Today's look is on how to take care of your skin when it comes to hyperpigmentation. A lot of us suffer from this skin condition. Here are some natural remedies to combat this situation. Let's take a look. You may be able to treat hyperpigmentation with home remedies, as I did, and by protecting your skin from the sun. Some medical conditions can cause hyperpigmentation. Pigmentation refers to the coloring of the skin. Skin pigmentation disorders cause change to the color of your skin. Melanin is made by cells in the skin and is the pigment responsible for your skin's color. Hyperpigmentation is a condition that causes your skin to darken. This can affect patches of your skin or your entire body. Age spots, also called liver spots, are a common type of hyperpigmentation. Hyperpigmentation is usually harmless but can sometimes be caused by an underlying medical condition. Certain medications can also cause your skin to darken. It's more of a cosmetic issue for most people. Hyperpigmentation is not necessarily a condition, but a term that describes the skin that appears darker, which occurs in small patches, covers large areas and affects the entire body. While increased pigmentation isn't usually harmful, it can be a symptom of another medical condition. Learn about types of hyperpigmentation, causes, and how I treated my condition. Types of hyperpigmentation. There are several types of hyperpigmentation, the common ones being melasma, sunspots, and post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. Melasma is believed to be caused by hormonal changes and may develop during pregnancy. Areas of hyperpigmentation can appear on any area of the body, but they appear most commonly on the stomach and face. Sunspots, also called liver spots or solar lentigines, sunspots are common. They are related to excess sun exposure over time. Generally, they appear as spots on areas exposed to the sun. The hands and face post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. This is a result of injury or inflammation called acne to the skin. Here are some symptoms and risk factors. Darkened areas on the skin are the main symptom of hyperpigmentation. Patches can vary in size and can develop anywhere on the body. Some risk factors for general hyperpigmentation are sun exposure and inflammation. Both situations can increase melanin production. The greater your exposure to the sun, the greater your risk of increased skin pigmentation. Depending on the type of disorder, other risk factors for hyperpigmented patches may include oral contraceptives use or pregnancy, as seen with melasma, darker skin type which is more prone to pigmentation changes, drugs that increase your sensitivity to the sunlight, trauma to the skin such as wound or burn, my at-home pigmentation treatment. There are several ways that you can treat hyperpigmentation at home. While several of the remedies we share here are anecdotal, some researchers suggested their main ingredients work on skin pigmentation. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid which lightens pigmentation. To use this remedy, combine equal parts apple cider vinegar and water in a container. Apply to your dark patches and leave for 2 to 3 minutes. Rinse using lukewarm water. Repeat twice daily to achieve the results you desire. Aloe vera. Aloe vera contains aloin, a natural depigmenting compound that has been shown to lighten skin and work effectively as a non-toxic hyperpigmentation treatment, according to the studies done. To use this, apply pure aloe vera gel to pigmented areas before bedtime. Rinse using warm water the next morning. Repeat daily until your skin improves. Red onion. Red onion, also known as allium cepa, extract is an ingredient in some commercially available skin and scar lightening creams. Research has found that dried skin of red onions can effectively lighten the skin. Look for creams for hyperpigmentation that contain allium cepa and use as directed. Green tea extract. Research has shown that green tea extract may have a depigmenting effect when applied to the skin. You can purchase green tea extract and apply it as directed. Some websites suggest applying green tea packs to dark spots for a lightening effect. Follow these steps. Steep a green tea bag in boiled water for 3 to 5 minutes. Remove the tea bag from the water and let cool. You don't want to burn your skin. Rub the tea bag over your dark patches. Repeat twice a day until you get the results. Black tea water. A research published in 2011 found that green tea water lightens dark spots on guinea pigs. The black tea water was applied twice a day, 6 days a week for 4 weeks. To try your own version of this hyperpigmentation treatment at home, add a tablespoon of fresh black tea leaves to a cup of boiling distilled water. Steep for 2 hours and strain to remove the leaves. Soak a cotton ball in the tea water and apply to areas of hyperpigmentation twice a day. Repeat every day for 6 days a week over 4 weeks. Licorice extract. Licorice extract contains active ingredients that have been shown to lighten hyperpigmentation caused by melasma and sun exposure. Topical creams containing licorice extract are available over the counter. Use as directed on the packaging. Milk, buttermilk, and even sour milk have all shown to effectively lighten skin discoloration. Lactic acid is the ingredient responsible for this effect. To use any of these to treat pigmentation, soak a cotton ball in the milk. Rub it over darkened skin patches twice a day. Repeat daily until you see the results. Tomato paste. A study published in 2011 found that tomato paste rich in lycopene protected the skin against short-term and long-term aspects of photo damage. Study participants consumed 55 grams of tomato paste in olive oil daily for 12 weeks. Orchid extracts. Orchid extracts are just as effective as vitamin C hyperpigmentation remedies, according to a research. Applying orchid-rich extract to the skin for 8 weeks improved the size and appearance of dark patches. You can buy skin products containing orchid extract, including masks, creams, and scrubs. Use as directed for the best results. Masoor dal, red lentils. Masoor dal face masks, which are made from red lentils, are popular as hyperpigmentation treatment. Though there isn't any evidence to back these claims, red lentils are rich in antioxidants that are known to be good for the skin. To make your own masoor dal mask, soak 50 grams of red lentils overnight in a bowl of water. Use a blender or food processor to create a fine paste. Apply the paste evenly over your face and leave it on for 20 minutes. Rinse with cold water and pat your skin dry with your hands. What causes skin pigmentation? Skin damage is the most common cause of skin pigmentation and usually affects the parts of the body that are most frequently exposed to the sun. Other causes include certain medications including chemotherapy drugs, pregnancy hormones, endocrine diseases such as Addison disease, melasma, insulin resistance, skin irritation, or trauma. Medical hyperpigmentation treatments. Depending on the cause of your hyperpigmentation, treatment may involve addressing an underlying medical condition or stopping a medication. There are several medical treatment options available if home remedies for pigmentation fail to give you the results you want. These include chemical peels, microdermabrasion, intense pulse light, and laser resurfacing. Consult with a dermatologist to know the best treatment for your skin type. Ways to prevent hyperpigmentation. It's not always possible to prevent hyperpigmentation. However, you can protect yourself by using a sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30, wearing hats or clothing that blocks sunlight, avoiding the sun during the time of the day when it's strongest, which is typically 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Avoiding certain medications may also prevent hyperpigmentation. Hyperpigmentation isn't generally harmful and usually isn't a sign of serious medical condition. In some cases, dark areas will fade on their own with good sun protection. In other cases, more aggressive treatment is needed. There is no guarantee that the dark spots will fade completely even with treatment. Hyperpigmentation is usually a cosmetic concern rather than a medical one. There are several home remedies for pigmentation that can help you lighten dark patches. Speak to your doctor if you're concerned about your skin pigmentation or suspect that your skin discoloration is caused by an underlying medical condition or medication. Guys, let's know your opinion on this topic, and if you have any questions, we will be glad to answer them. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share, and turn on the bell icon for more amazing topics on lifestyle and health issues on a daily basis.